everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anisha, and after a long break, I have again come back. And in the last video, I explained you the basic thing of the electrochemistry and by using which concept you can solve out the problem coming from the electrochemistry section. Now, in this video, I will show you very important equation to solve out the problem, and in this video I will solve a problem which is GATE 2019 problem from the electrochemistry part. Now the what is the expression for the del G? That is del G is equal to del H minus T del S. We all know that. That is the this is come from the thermodynamics. And another expression for the G dg or del G is equal to dg is equal to V dp minus S dt. That's all we know. Now what is the expression for the S, that is entropy from the Gibbs free energy, is equal to dg dp at constant p is dg dt at constant p is equal to minus of S. From this equation you can get that at constant p this part is equal to 0, the dp part is equal to 0, so this part will be removed from the equation and you can get the del G del T at constant p is equal to minus of S. Now for the electrochemical cell we have that equation G is equal to minus NFE, that is E is equal to cell potential. Now from that equation you can get that dg dt p is equal to minus of NF del E del T p. So from here you can get, that is as the dg dt p from equation 2 you can get that dg dt p is equal to minus of S. So you can replace this term by minus of S. So by replacing this term, that is minus of S is equal to minus of NF del E del T p, you can get that the equation for S is equal to, or equation for S, that is entropy, is equal to NF del E del T p. So these all equations are very important to solve out the problem coming from the electrochemistry. Today I will show you one example only. Question is from GATE 2019 paper, and here you can see that at a electrochemical cell representation is given, and here the value of del E del Tp is given, and what is the value of E0 of half cell reaction is also given here. So from here we have to calculate what is the value of the enthalpy. So I have said what are the equation for del G, that is we have the equation del G is equal to del H minus T del S, and what is the value of del E del Tp, that is the value of del E del Tp is equal to minus del E del Tp is equal to S by Nf, where N is equal to number of electron, you all know that. Okay, so these equations are available for us to solve out the problem, and another equation is G is equal to minus of NFE. These all equations are available for us to do this question. Okay, so first of all the equation is that S by NF is equal to del E del Tp. So this value is given is equal to, this value is equal to this value is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4, 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 kilojoule, V per Kelvin, voltage per Kelvin. Okay. Now this equation is given for us. Now another equation is that this value is given 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now another which equation is given, the equation is equal to G is equal to minus NFE. G is equal to minus NFE. This equation is also given, this equation is also known to us. Okay, so G is equal to minus of NFE. I am doing here because you can understand what steps I am following to solve out this problem. That's why I am doing it here. Now in my previous video, I just forgot in which video I have mentioned that what is the cell representation, and this right side equation or right side representation is representation for cathode reaction, and this left side is the representation for the anode reaction. And I have told you that for the cathode reaction, reduction takes place, and for the anode reaction, oxidation takes place. And from this representation you also can say that is M here, M that is metal is in zero state, that is M0 to it is converted to M plus 2 plus M2 plus. That means that here oxidation number of the metal, corresponding metal is increases, that means here oxidation takes place, and this is the anode reaction. And what is the cathode reaction? That is M2 plus to M. This reaction is the cathode reaction. And you may have some doubt that both two reactions are same in this cell, that is the two half cell reactions are same, then why the cell potential will be generated? Because you can see that here from M solid to Mi2 solid is formed, but here the Mi2 is aqueous solution, is in aqueous solution. The state of the Mi2 is different from the here. That's why here a cell potential is generated. Now what is the value of E0 of both two half cells are given here, and we all know that what is the equation for the cell full cell potential, that is E is equal to E full cell is equal to E of cathode minus E of cathode minus E of anode. Okay, this we all know that from my previous video. If you don't have idea, then you can follow my previous video. I have clearly mentioned that what is the cell potential of a full cell reaction. Okay, then here E cathode means the reduction reaction, that is the M2 plus to M, this value is equal to minus of 0.12 volt. Then you can write here that minus of 0.12 minus, and what is the E anode? That is E anode is equal to minus of 0.36, that is minus of 0.36. This is the value for the E value for the full cell reaction. Okay, now what will be the value? The value will be, if you compute this, you can get the value is equal to plus 0.24 volt. As E value is plus 0.24 volt is coming here, that means the G value will be minus, because there is a minus sign in the equation for G. That means that this reaction is a spontaneous reaction. So only by this calculation you can say that this reaction is a spontaneous reaction, but you don't have to mention it here, because here the question is not that the reaction is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. The question is that what is the value of del H. Now for that we have to evaluate what is the value of S from this equation, that is S is equal to N into F into this value. Okay, that is, you can get here that S is equal to here n is equal to number of electron transfer is equal to 2 into F value is given 96500 coulomb per mole into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, 10 to the power minus 4 eto voltage per Kelvin. So this value is the value for entropy. This value is the value for entropy. Okay, and before that we have to calculate what is the value of G by using the value of E. This is equal to minus of 2 into 96500 into E value is equal to 0.24. That is what is the unit for F? The unit for F is coulomb per mole and the unit for voltage is equal to V. So this is the value of del G. Okay, this is the value of del G. Now don't calculate it now. We can calculate only what is the value of del H. Or another case is that you can use here the sign of del. The sign of del, that is del G is equal to del G is equal to minus NF is equal NF into del E. This is del E actually, that is the what is the difference between the cathode potential and the anode potential, and it is also a del S. It is also a del S. It is also a del S. Okay, so you have the value of del G, you have the value of del S, and you have another equation. That is the first equation, del G is equal to del H minus T del S. You have this equation. Okay, del G is equal to del H minus T del S. So by using this equation you can easily calculate what is the value of del G, del H, because all others are the known value. That is, from this here you can get that del H is equal to del G plus T into del S. Del G is equal to plus T into del S, and here what is the value of T is also given, that is 298 Kelvin. Hence that is the what is the value of del G? The value of del G is equal to minus of 2 into 96500 into 0.24 plus what is the value of T? T is equal to 298 Kelvin. What is the value of del S? The value of del S is equal to 2 into 96500 into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the value of del G in, this is the value of del H, this is the value of del H, in which value will become, this will be in joule per mole is equal to del H. So after computing this you can get, that is del H is equal to del H is equal to, which is equal to minus of 37692.9. okay, which is equal to minus of 37692.9 joule per mole, or this is equal to minus of 37.692 kilojoule per mole. So this is the answer. What is the value of del H of the given reaction, and this is the way to solve out this type of problem. So it's a question where I have to use almost all of the G equation to solve out the problem. So that's why I have chosen this problem to show you, and I have shown here in detail what is the solution of this reaction. So that's all about my today's video. I hope I can upload my next video very soon, and there I will tell you more detail about the electrochemistry. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.